I hope nobody has a jet lag from the private jets shoot, because now we have a quite adrenaline-filled activity and shoot. Run with me. We've got a professional tank driver. Well, I hope he's a professional tank driver, because we got quite some models here that we want to keep safe. If you guys want to see that it's real, sounds pretty real to me. So we're gonna drive to the location and then do some shooting there. We got some smoke bombs and some other fun stuff to also include in the shoot. See you there, baby.
So how's your day with the Vagabond so far?
Моим английским с тобой сейчас общаться, но не с моим английским.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah. I want to grab a shot when I'm walking and a tank is behind me, but I'm kind of nervous. I'm looking back when it's gonna start. Really don't want to start this day by being run over by a tank. That would be a pretty bad start of the shoot. Oh man, we got movement. Ah wait, they're gonna go there actually. Bye girls, see you later. Well, the tank is faster than us. We tried to run to get a shot when it crossed the street, but it's faster than us. God damn! Yeah, that tastes like a tank, and a bunch of vagabonds passed here. That way, Felix, that way! Everything to get the shot. Gosh, oh my god. I think I kind of lost the way. Been stuck in these woods, eating raw animals for months now. You can see it in my physique, maybe I look really skinny. But I think I found the promised land. We're back at the tank. We're back at the Vagabond vacation. Oh my god. And everybody's still alive. What a beautiful day. So please like and subscribe for all the troubles we do to make videos for you guys.
I was thinking maybe to put a few girls on the nose, like one after the other. We got a thumbs up, so let's try it out. Okay, we want to have some girls go on the nose, one after the other. Let's keep it cute, you know, cute and not dangerous. And then you lean on her. Yeah, okay, yes, perfect. That looks great.
Armed.
People also think often that being a model or a photographer is an easy job. But as you can see, there's a lot of fitness involved, a lot of danger, both for sometimes the photographers as the models. So for sure not an easy job. I would say come join us to one of the trips and you will see what an actual fitness session it is to bring all your gear, then run around to get all kinds of different angles, and as well for the models to get creative poses.
Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated and you gon' lose right now. Like click, 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 swish. I can switch it up anytime like this. I'm a videographer and I'm on the verse, so when I shoot my shot, I don't miss. I'm gonna take the shot.
Gonna prepare this smoke bomb. We have Alessia with the gas mask. It's a real Soviet Second World War gas mask that I got from a previous urbex exploring. It's being used right now.
I really love seeing all the photographers get into their element, feel way more comfortable with posing the models, giving direction compared to the start of the week. It can be a little bit intimidating, you know, when you arrive and there's like 10 girls and there's so much happening going on. But it's really cool how now they're like really trying to direct to get the poses they're looking for. Yeah, great job guys. We also gave the guy a bunch of smoke bombs. They actually forgot about it. Luckily we reminded them. Natasha and Brennan are the ones who are gonna fire this beauty off.
I develop film, not feelings. Ooh, I develop film.
Oh shit. We were gonna organize it that all the girls at the same time had the smoke bomb going off. I don't know what happened there. We have an early shooter. Luckily we have enough, so we will now do a shot where each girl will have her own smoke bomb and we have different colors. So that's gonna look pretty amazing, I think.
Not yet, not yet. Oh, no. You pull out the little thing.
Yes.
Pull it. I would put the girls a little bit more separate. They're all like on a line. Girls on the front here, two girls lower, maybe one girl sitting. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, that's a lot of fucking smoke.
A little bit of a mess, but it was for sure worth a try. And the first seconds were super cool, yeah.
Yes, girls, you did great.
She knows that shot.
If you want to catch some wild action, you gotta include Alessia in the shot, that's for sure. She's doing great. She's a beautiful post-Soviet unicorn right now. So next up we want to direct a shot where we have the tank half in the frame and then smoke on the other half, and we want to walk all the girls through the smoke appearing into the image. Might be a little bit of a challenge, but we like challenges at Vagabond, so let's get to it. All the girls come here. Maybe we should light like 5 here at the same time on the floor. We're creating a wall of smoke here. The girls are behind it, and then one by one you come out of the smoke. You can keep your eyes closed until you're out of the smoke.
Oh yeah, baby. I think Vagabond Vacations is the only place where the photographer switches place with the model. To be honest, I kind of like girls with cameras. It looks pretty sexy, right, Felix? We just got the Vagabond flag delivered. Oh, it even has a pole!
Miss me, ballin' like Houston, hey, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bro.
If there's booty shaking, I gotta go.
What you got? Roll credits. Just shake that ass. Roll the credits. Go.
What's up, Vagabonds? Come explore the world with us. As you maybe know, we organize photo and video workshops. They're called Vagabond Vacations. Check them out on our website, vagabondvacations.com. All the new locations are there. We just released them. Super excited about it. Check it out because we only have 10 spots per event. We want to keep it personal and a unique experience for you. So vagabondvacations.com. Hope to see you there.